Namaste and welcome to our channel, Shubh Temple. Today we are going to talk about how to deal with toxic or negative people in your life. And before I get started today, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you can be alerted when we post the next video. So it seems like we're constantly in our work, both Shubh and I, we get messages, or sometimes our meditation students are dealing with very challenging situations in their lives, and it has to do with people feeling heavy on us, or maybe we have people in our life that are just constantly weighing us down. Maybe they're speaking negatively all the time. They just talk really badly about their own life. Maybe it's manifesting in a way where this person has latched onto you and is totally dependent on you emotionally, and so that feels toxic in your life. So it's not necessarily that someone is speaking badly. I just want to clarify that it's somebody that's speaking badly to you, about you, or this situation, but maybe they're overly dependent on for their own well-being on you. So the first thing that I think is helpful is to realize that first off, there's no one way to qualify what it means to be toxic, or what it means to be a negative person, because you could be having an experience that's different than what someone may experience with the exact same person, or they may have a different perspective about the situation. So I think the most helpful way to deal with this kind of a scenario is first, we tend to blame. I hear this a lot. Like, I hear people that message me, or maybe our students, we think that we need to fix the other person, or we blame them, or we think something needs to be done about that person. But the thing that is the most powerful is to realize that you are the one that has the power, and this person in your life, if you can start to see that they are actually helping you in some way. Yes, I'm saying this person is actually helping you in some way. And why do I say that? Well, this person is helping you to empower yourself. They are helping you to determine what your personal boundary is. What do you need to do to take best care of yourself? What is it you need to do to maintain and manage your own well-being? So that's where the PowerPoint is when you're around negative, toxic, sometimes we call them narcissist, whatever label that you want to put on that. Just realize you're not going to fix, you're not going to change the other person. And yes, it is possible for other people to change, but you have to realize they are the ones that are going to have to initiate it, and they are the ones that are going to have to make it happen. You're not going to be able to do that, and I guarantee you, you probably already know it, because my guess is maybe you've already tried. The other helpful thing that I think is when you are setting boundaries, I think it's really a great idea, instead of getting angry at the other person, is if this is someone that you want to keep in your life, that you really love deeply, maybe it's a husband, wife, parent, child, that type of relationship, I think it's helpful. You can be honest with that person, but make it about yourself, and make statements like, I feel however you're feeling because of this behavior. So instead of making it about them, or saying that they need to change in any kind of way, just let them know how you feel in that circumstance. And you can let them know, because of this, I've decided I need to do this, or I can't be in this situation because I feel uncomfortable, or I feel heavy around this kind of thing. So this being able to do this kind of thing is very empowering for you, and it also leaves a space that maybe the person has some type of self-realization because of what you're saying. So you're giving them an opportunity to make the change if they choose to. Okay, so that's the key. But make it about, always keep the ball in your court, and always make it about you and your inner work. That's the power. And always ask yourself, what do I need? What do I need to do? How do I need to manage this situation for my own well-being? So this is how the situation, the individual, can help you a lot. And you can keep that sense of gratitude, that kind of appreciation, and hopefully it will give you skills to just learn how to foster the relationship and to keep the love. You can keep the love there regardless of what the other person is doing. You can always be compassionate. You can be compassionate instead of being angry. You can be forgiving instead of blaming. You can forgive yourself. You can forgive them in the situation. And these situations are also a great way to learn how to give unconditional love, not only to the other person, but to yourself. So that's why this is a great personal growth situation. And I would love if you would let me know how this video resonates with you today. I would love your questions. I would love your comments. If you have any ideas of future videos that you would like myself or Shubh to talk about, please let us know in the comments. And thank you for listening. Namaste.